You can take mine apart, sure. What are you building?
That.
Benji, what are you calling these ones? What are that? What are those? What is that? What is this one, Benji? Benji, what's that one called? I'm too busy for your reindeer games, Mommy.
Whoa, that was. What happened that? The fighting.
It fell apart.
It fell apart.
Because you wiggled it. What are you making?
Pyramint.
A pyramid?
Yeah, I just making a pyramid. For me. It's for me. This is just. I need a paste.
Got to use 2 hands to pull it apart, don't you?
I made you the pyramid. I won't make you the pyramid.
Thank you for making me a pyramid.
You're
What about a little house? Can you make a little house?
It's golden.
It went flat, didn't it?
Yeah.
You want me to open it again?
Yeah.
They're tricky, aren't they? They collapse.
They collapse.
They collapse flat.
I won't make.
Here, Benji, look at mine. I only need one more. Can you put one there on this edge?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and then one on top. That's perfect. Look, now we made a square. That's like a little house. Now it just needs a roof.
Look.
You're reinforcing the sides, aren't you? Crash! Earthquake!
Oh, I stopped it. Let me make this house.
You're going to make a car now? Or a little truck?
Little ship.